Akko sent out their botany switches. Let's check them out. Here are the switch specs. It has a nylon PA12 top housing, a custom nylon pro long pole stem, a nylon PA6 bottom housing, 38 grams of actuation force, total travel of 3.6mm with a pre-travel of 2mm, and it also has factory lubrication. According to Akko, the switches are similar to their rosewood switches but with a higher pitch. Here's how they compare. Anyway, here's a sound test with my own RK61. What do you think about the switches? Do you like them? Full review in my bio and follow for more keyboard stuff.